Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I'm starting off by making some sandwich and coffee. This was for breakfast and then I packed my lunch for work. I was taking some raita, some aloo palak saag, some rice and dark chocolate. Wholesome lunch. Next day, I was actually reviewing this planner. The video of this is already live on my study channel, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. It's a beautiful planner from Scribbling All Day, and plus, it's an undated planner. So, just wanted to show you a quick glimpse of the same. Like, usually, these days have been all about going to work and coming back. Nothing much is happening lately, so yeah, that's the reason I don't have much to share. But in this vlog, you'll see lots of food and lots of me getting ready to go to work and coming back. So yeah, next day I was prepping for work, so I was getting ready and I thought of just sharing this clip with you all. And this is my current favorite go-to lipstick. These are the Mama Earth's Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. They're enriched with avocado oil and vitamin E. First of all, I love the packaging, okay? They come in these bullet sticks form. So it's not like a bullet lipstick. It's more like your bullet pencil cum lipstick sort of a thing, and it's very comfortable, easy to wear, long lasting and super creamy at the same time, matte, highly pigmented. Here I'll quickly swatch all of them for you all. Now, Mama Earth is a plastic positive Indian brand and all of their products are free from any harmful chemicals and all natural. And every time you buy from them, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation and the species of the tree will be sent to you. So that's a great initiative by them. These lipsticks come in multiple shades. Here are the shades that I have, and this is one of my favorite everyday nude shade. They're super long lasting, easy to wear. At the same time, they'll give you a beautiful soft matte finish as well. So if you're interested in purchasing any of their products, you can use my code Himani2024 to get 20% off on the Mama Earth's website. Mama Earth now also has offline stores where you can actually go and see these products on your own. So do let me know if you have visited their offline stores. Apart from that, they're available on Mama Earth's website, Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa as well. I'll leave the links below. You can see in one swipe, they give you beautifully pigmented matte lips. So here are some office scenes. I was just attending a meeting with some coffee and then we had our friends over. So yeah, our office is completely dog friendly and you can get your dogs, and this is the CEO's dog, my boss's dog, and he's so adorable. His name is Walnut, by the way. He was just sitting and staring. And yeah, for lunch that day I had packed some paneer sandwiches and walnut. Next day I came back home, was watching some videos and prepping for my upcoming videos. Then I had some tofu soup. It was really wholesome. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if this is going to be a midway vlog ya kya. Basically, I know there have been a lot of gaps in vlogging, but life is so happening and I'm not really comfortable sharing every part of my life online. So anyway, it's morning. It's currently 8:30. I was in the gym. I came back like 10-15 minutes back. I gave Simba some bread to eat and now I'm making myself breakfast. So let me share with you what I'm having. Now I'm making myself a cup of coffee. This is the Rage coffee, the silk blend. It's so good. And with that, I was having like a cream cheese sandwich. So yeah, watching some videos and having this cream cheese sandwich with this coffee. Very nice. This has been like legit my everyday breakfast. Then for lunch, office lunch, I had packed some pulao, berries and walnut. That day after coming back, I was watching this movie. Don't even remember which movie or series I was watching. And I was doing my rejuvenation time. That's coloring. I've been loving doing this. So yeah, it's like an unwinding sort of a thing. So that's what I was up to. Then was the weekend and I decided to make some pancakes. This is like a millet chocolate pancake batter. This one, super healthy, but yeah, it was yummy. It wasn't exactly the same as the pancakes that you would like have, but it was a healthier version. So adding some butter in the pan, and I know I need to get some new pans. Tell my mom. We have some pans, but typical Indian mom, they will never use them until a special occasion comes. So I was making some amazing pancakes. They were a bit difficult to flip because these are not your regular pancakes, as you can see, but I tried my best and they were actually pretty fine. I added some Nutella and some caramel syrup and enjoyed my breakfast. Had my breakfast, the millet pancake that I showed you guys, and I was watching some videos and I received my Dermaco's package for February. And I tried these moisturizers, guys. I have already tried and reviewed these cleansers, out of which I love this one. This one is their dry to normal sensitive skin cleanser with niacinamide. I absolutely love it. I also love the packaging. This one is for oily skin, and I think this will be great for people, I guess people who are with pimples and all. I mean, yeah, pretty sure, but yeah, I haven't tried this one out that much, but I love this one for my skin. So yeah, but these are the two new launches that they have, and I tried both of the moisturizers right now. This one is the Urea moisturizer. This is deep moisturizing one with lactic acid. This is great, like I loved it a lot. But this one is another new launch, which is their 4% ceramide barrier repair moisturizer, which is for your skin barrier. This is so good. It's very similar to the CosRX one, so I'm super excited to review this for y'all. And when I saw the price, okay, it's just for $3.49, and guys, I have a code with them as well, so y'all can check it out. But I absolutely loved this package. I'm so grateful, and yeah, you'll probably see me doing a sponsored video with them in like one of my videos, so that's there. So these are the things that I got from the Dermaco. Some video with my ECV, very important. Like, I cannot function if I don't have at least one glass of ECV tablet. So yeah. Then I went on filming. My weekends are all about bulk filming videos. I was filming the MT's video, which I'm not sure when will it be live. And then I also filmed the Valentine's Day gift guide video. You guys can check it out. These were the perfume recommendations and they're so good. You guys can see I've used these perfumes so much already. And in my upcoming vlogs, you'll see some more of coffee and other things as well. So make sure you're subscribed. Currently, life isn't that happening, but I'm sure you guys are going to be with me in this workaholic life and some productivity happening here and there in between. I'll see you guys in my next one.